Welcome to India News Express. PM Narendra Modi leaves for India after fruitful two-day visit to Bhutan. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Saturday departed for India after a fruitful two-day visit to Bhutan, where he assured the Himalayan nation of New Delhi's support in its quest for development and vowed to provide ₹10,000 crore to the Himalayan nation over the next 5 years. On Saturday morning, Modi, along with his Bhutanese counterpart T-Shering Tobgay, inaugurated a modern hospital for women and children built with Indian assistance in Thimphu. In a special gesture, the King of Bhutan, Jigme Khesar Namgyal Wangchuk, as well as the Prime Minister Tobgay were present at the Paro International Airport to see off Prime Minister Modi. I am honored by the special gesture by His Majesty the King of Bhutan, Jigme Khesar Namgyal Wangchuk, of coming to the airport as I leave for Delhi, Modi posted on X. This has been a very special Bhutan visit. I had the opportunity to meet His Majesty the King, PM T-Shering Tobgay and other distinguished people of Bhutan. Our talks will add even more vigor to the India-Bhutan friendship. I am also grateful to have been conferred the Order of the Druk Gyalpo. I am very thankful to the wonderful people of Bhutan for their warmth and hospitality. India will always be reliable friend and partner for Bhutan, he wrote on X. Modi was conferred the Order of the Druk Gyalpo on Friday, making him the first foreign head of the government to receive the honor. The award recognizes Modi's contribution to strengthening the India-Bhutan friendship and his people-centric leadership. Prime Minister Modi also spoke of the Bhutanese government's 30th 5-year plan and said, "Our full support and cooperation will be there. In the next 5 years, the government of India will provide support of ₹10,000 crore in this direction," he said. Modi called on the King of Bhutan, Wangchuk, and held talks with Prime Minister Tobgay. This was Modi's second meeting with his Bhutanese counterpart this month.